Welcome to Member Discounts. As a Total Truck Centers member, you have access to exclusive discounts on hotels, rental cars, and even work shoes. These savings are designed to help you lower costs and keep your business running smoothly. Need a place to stay for industry events like SEMA or a business trip? Total Truck Centers members get discounted rates at thousands of hotels nationwide. And when you're on the road, you can save on rental cars from Enterprise, National, and Hertz. Your member discounts keep you moving at the best rates available. Long days on your feet or need to outfit your team with new workwear? We've got you covered. Members can get up to 30% off on Skechers workwear, keeping you and your team comfortable and protected. Unlocking these discounts is quick and easy. Just log into your Total Truck Centers account, search for the discount tools, click, and save. With these exclusive member discounts, you get the perks you need to travel, work, and grow your business. Start taking advantage of these benefits today. Log into your Total Truck Centers account or contact us at totaltruckcenters.com/contact-us. Total Truck Centers, empowering your success, one tool at a time.